Welcome back to USA Car Reviews, the channel where we explore the most exciting, iconic, and futuristic cars from around the world. Today we're talking a deep dive into something truly special, the all-new 2026 Mercedes-Benz 280 SE, a name that carries legendary heritage and now return with a modern luxury identity that blends classic elegance with cutting-edge technology. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz 280 SE is a bold revival of a historic patch, and Mercedes-Benz has clearly designated this car to honor its past while embracing the future. From the moment you see it, the car makes a powerful statement. The exterior design is smooth, graceful, and confident, with long body lines, a wide stance, and a refined silhouette that instantly signals premium luxury. The front features a modern interpretation of the classic Mercedes grille, combined with slim LED headlights that give the car a sharp and sophisticated look. Chrome accents are used tastefully, adding elegance rather than excess, and the overall design feels timeless rather than trendy. Moving along the side profile, the 2026 280 SE showcases a balanced proportion with a long wheel base, emphasizing comfort and prestige. The alloy wheels are large and stylish, perfectly matching the luxury sedan character. At the rear, the LED highlights are sleek and minimal, while subtle patching reminds you that this is not just another Mercedes, but a reborn icon. Step inside the cabin, and the 2026 Mercedes-Benz 280 SE truly shines. The interior is a masterclass in luxury craftsmanship. High-quality leather, real wood trim, and brushed aluminum details surround you in comfort. Mercedes has focused heavily on passenger experience, offering generous legroom and plus seating for both front and rear occupants. The seats are power-adjustable, heated, ventilated, and designed for long-distance comfort. Technology plays a major role in this new 280 SE. A large digital instrument cluster blends seamlessly into a with the infotainment display, creating a clean and futuristic dashboard layout. The latest Mercedes infotainment system offers smooth performance, voice control, smartphone integration, navigation, and customizable driving settings. Ambient lighting with multiple color options adds to the premium feel, especially during night drives. Under the hood, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz 280 SE is expected to feature a refined powertrain focused on smooth performance rather than aggressive sportiness. Whether powered by a turboharged inline six or a hybrid assisted engine, the emphasis is on wide acceleration, refined cruising, and effortless power delivery. The suspension system is tuned for comfort, absorbing road imperfections with ease while still maintaining confident handling at highway speeds. Safety and driver assistance features are at the heart of this luxury sedan. Mercedes equips the 280 SE with advanced systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and parking assistance. These features work together to provide a relaxed and secure driving experience, whether you are navigating city traffic or cruising on long highways. What truly sets the 2026 Mercedes-Benz 280 SE apart is its character. This is not a car built to chase trends or combat aggressively with sporty rivals. Instead, it focuses on elegance, comfort, and timeless luxury. Is a car designated for those who appreciate refinement, heritage, and modern innovation wrapped into one sophisticated package. In conclusion, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz 280 SE represents a beautiful balance between past and future. It revives a legendary name and reintroduces it to a new generation with modern design, advanced technology, and unmistakable Mercedes-Benz luxury. If you are someone who values comfort, class, and prestige, the new 280 SE is a car that truly deserves your attention. This has been USA Car Reviews, bringing you closer to the cars that define style, performance, and innovation. Stay tuned for more exclusive car reviews, and we'll see you in the next video.